Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In today's I'm going to show you how to join meetings with the passcode or the password. So first you need to open your Zoom desktop client and follow these simple steps. Before joining a meeting that contains a passcode, you will need to have its ID. So either you will get your ID if you are the host and you already scheduled, or you have some scheduled meetings here. After you click on the meeting tab here, you will find all the upcoming meetings. And here, when you click on it, you will have this uh, ID. Also, you can see here there is the passcode. Well, if you are only a participant and you are just going to join the meeting, you will need to be provided with this passcode by the host. If you already are the host, you can just give them this code. So let's start this meeting first, and we can join it with another account so I can show you how to pass code. So we are just starting meeting, and now I'm going to join it from my browser with another account. So we put not this one, we do like this is the ID meeting, and I'm just going to launch join from the password from the browser, and as you can see it will require me the meeting passcode, and of course I already know the meeting password, and I'm going to click in join, and I am this is like a test or a video preview, and I'm joining now to the meeting. And as you can see, you can see the meeting the participants here, and those are the participants of the meeting. So basically this is how you can join with the passcode on Zoom meetings. So thank you for watching and goodbye.